Okay, so today we have 7 questions regarding uh, that I will be solving using StreamApi. So very frequently asked interview question. So we will be bringing a series of question dealing with StreamApi question, right? So let's start doing one by one. So for the first question, this is the first question. So you will be provided list of integer. Okay, list of integer arrays dot as list. So let us suppose 1 2 3 4 5 45 6 7 8 9, right? So we have a list of integer where you can see we have combination of even and odd number, right? Like 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 45 is odd, 6 is even. So basically what we need to do in this question is, like, we need to separate out. First of all, we will filter out the odd number among these from this list, and after that we will separate out the even number from this. Okay, so let's start. So list of integer dot string. So basically you need to practice more and more questions so that you can get confidence of string interview, right? So first of all, what we are doing is we are stringing out the integer list. So we are string out. So what filter it takes, that will return true or false. So for each integer it will take, so predicate functional interface takes parameter and returns what? Boolean type, return type, right? So we will put the condition if n %2 equal 1. So this condition is basically indicating that the number is odd, right? So we have filtered out odd number. Okay, then what I need to do? I need to collect the number collectors dot to list, correct? Okay, so in this way we have filtered out all the odd number. So where you will store that? We need to store that in a list of integer. Okay, so odd number list we have. Okay, so let's try. We will have to run this to get the output, right? So we need to print it. Okay, so we have odd number list. So let's try running the program. Okay, there is some error. Basically the error is not from the current program. Basic error is coming due to this. I need to comment this is my previous program. I am in calculator. Let's try running again. Right, so we got all the odd number 1, 3, 45, 7 and 9. Got it? Okay, so let's proceed for the filtering out the even number. So very little very minute change I need to make for even number. So I will copy this one and paste this one. So the condition will be only 0. If n%2 equals 0, that is indicating the number is even number, and even number list. Correct. So I will comment it. Okay, so make it even number. Okay, even number list, and make it odd number list. Odd number list. So let's try running it. Yeah, got it. So we have separated out even number, odd number and even number. Correct. So the second question, so what I will do, I will comment it out so that when we will be running the second question, so there will not be any problem. Control C. Single comment for everything. Sum of integer. Okay, so let's use the same list. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to find the sum of everything, sum of all integer, right? So list integer dot stream dot reduce. We have a function reduce, so we will initialize it with 0, and we have subtotal comma total. Subtotal plus total. Correct. So this will produce the desired long sum. So basically this is the way we reduce the value, producing the sum. Okay, so subtotal, this is the initial value of the subtotal, so I'm applying subtotal plus total, so continuous repeated adding it will perform. So let's try running it. Yeah, the sum is 81. Got it. So might be there is another method also of doing this. Okay, so I will make it like method 1. Okay, similarly I will use method 2 like list.stream dot I guess there is a dot collectors dot summing int. So for each value so for that I need to provide a list for holding the sum that is integer. Might be this is not working. Okay, let's see what happens. So moving to the next question, we have a list of color. Okay, so what I need to do, convert to uppercase, right? So we have color dot stream dot I need to map it so each color dot to uppercase dot collector dot to list. Since it is already been used, I need to make it color. Okay, so again I need to make it string uppercase color. Correct. So printing out uppercase color, I need to mark it commented, then try running this one out. Yeah, you can see we have got the desired output. Correct. So the next question is adding all even number. Okay, so let us take the same question we need to add all the even number, right? So what we will do, first of all, start streaming first. Streaming dot. Okay, so we need to filter it out all the odd, even number n percent to equal 0, right? So it got filtered out. So all the even number got filtered out. And what I need to do, I need to add all the numbers. So dot reduce, initializing the value is 0. We have subtotal comma total, applying lambda subtotal plus total. So this is the way we will find sum. Now printing the value, so this will give the sum of even number, right? Sum of even number, correct? So let's try running this one. So sum of even number is 16, right? So you can manually check it as well. 2 plus 6 8 and 8 16, right? So this is also good. Okay, after that, so we have write a Java program, StreamApi. Using StreamApi, remove all the duplicate, right? This is very simple question, but very frequently asked interview question. So even I have faced it many times, finding. So let's use the same. Sorry. We will be using. So let's put some duplicate here, like 7 and 8 again. Okay, so there are duplicates, right? So what we will need to do, first of all, we need to stream out all the integer dot now. We have a function, intermediate function, distinct dot collect characters dot to list. So in this way again we will get integer of list. You mean duplicate free list. Okay, so I will print it out. No duplicate allowed. Okay, so I will duplicate free. So let's try running this one out. Let's see whether it is working. Yeah, so it is working. There is no duplicate in it. Okay, 1 2 3 45 6 7 8 9. So there is no duplicate. Yeah, that means it is working fine. Okay, so what you all guys need to do, need to practice a lot, then only it will come naturally to you. Okay, so otherwise you will have to think a lot in the interview. When you are sitting in the interview and try to remember, it will not come, guys. So you need to practice a lot, so then only you will be able to recall very quickly and write the program in the interview, and then only you will be able to impress your interviewer. Correct? Okay, so write a Java program to count the number of strings in the list that starts with a specific letter in the stream. Okay, so these two questions we will cover in the next video, since the length of the video is becoming larger, so that will not be inconvenient for you guys. So I want you to learn the thing in a very smooth manner. So yeah, so let's continue in the next lecture, right? Yeah guys, thank you.